Hi everyone, look at the colors of my hydrangea. Before it's color white green like this. Now they're turning to light pink. Beautiful. Ayan, ang ganda ng flowers. Beautiful million flowers. Beautiful, beautiful. Ayan, ang isa dito. Hello, hello. Ayan. The other plant, I have two plants here. And this one here. It's turning also their colors. So beautiful. White pink. Yan, beautiful. Maka-happy. So this is their last bloom. Till next year again. Ayan, it's a beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful colors. Ayan, isn't that sweet and lovely? Ayan siya guys. Ang ganda. Ayan, the other one there. Ayan. Thanks for watching. Wish everybody a happy weekend. Love Nansky.